Friends, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss about English for Polytechnics first year students. It's the first semester. We are going to discuss today's topic is uh, words often confused. Before that, let me introduce myself. This is C.H. Narsaya, Senior Lecturer in English, SG Government Polytechnic, Adilabad. Today's class is uh, lesson is ours. We are going to discuss about words often confused. Day to day life, in our life, we see number of words. We confuse a lot. Where, how we have to use the different words. The words spoken similarly, the spelling is different. The spelling is same, the spoken is different. The many types of words we used to get in our day to day life. So we have to be uh, overcome with practice. What sort of words, what type of words we are going to be uh, discussed today. So many words we are going to discuss. For example, here how we have to use the word weak, week, week, plus one more word weak, week. The word spoken same, but spelling is different. With that two words we can make a meaningful sentence. I feeling weak, but I want 1 week leave. So in our day-to-day life, there are many types of same similar words. The words often confuse us. So coming to the objectives of this lesson today, differentiate between similar words. We know we have to know the difference between like week and week. WEEK means week is 7 days. A week in a month. WEAK week is uh, feeling weak. That is a person is not able to do something. I am feeling weak. I am able to feeling ill. That is use them correctly. How am I used? I am feeling weak. WEAK. But I want 1 week leave. Week 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 leave. Many things we used to use in our day-to-day life. I see a saw. I saw a saw. What this means? SAW saw and again SAW saw. Saw means I've seen again, but saw means that is we use the instrument to cut some woods. That is saw. The same spelling, the same articulation. This type of words we used to uh, face in our day-to-day life. We used to get these type of words in our day-to-day conversation. So before that, I would like to be discuss. I would like to ask some questions, pre-reading questions or whatever you feel. Do you get confused between words that sounds similar? Certainly, we have similar spellings, similar like week and week, saw and saw. Many words are no and no, KNOW no, NOW no, off, OF off and OFF off. Many words. Certainly, I think you and me and everyone gets confused due to with practice only we overcome it. We overcome with the practice. By practice makes us perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. So practice is a very important for to getting um, relief from confused. So overcome this problem. To overcome the problem, we have to be. What causes this confusion? Spelling. What causes for confusion? Spelling maybe, as well as maybe pronunciation. The two causes are there. We are to getting confusion. Everyone, you and me, the spelling is same, but how we have to be use the as well as the pronunciation is same. So we confuse. But how we have to use based on context, we have to be interpret the meaning of the words, that words. Can you recollect some examples? We have to be recollect some examples where you have been confused. Where you have been confused, you have to be recollect. Where are you confusing? You have been confused. So, some these boards, I think the examples have mentioned week and week, and no, off and off. How many saw and saw, see, many C and ACE, C and ACESC. Many words used we use wrongly in our day-to-day conversation. Here, I would like to give small first discuss on activity one. You have to read the following sentences and identify the words wrongly used. Day-to-day life we use the principal of college is rather strict. You simply some many of our students they write principal spelling as principal. Very principles are very that is different, but a principal is different. The wrong spelling many people are writing while they are writing letters and somewhere. So principal's spelling is Principal. Principal. The correct spelling is given in the bracket. I have given the correct spelling, principal spelling Principal, principal. But the sentence they have given principal, principal instead of principal they have written. Okay, so principal spelling is Principal, principal. Okay, next she dyed her hair green. So here is a died is a DIED, died means chanipoda, passed away. That is wrong spelling. So here is a died spelling DYED is a right spelling. So DIED is a died means chanipoda. DYED died means color applied for hair. The color applied for hair is DYED, and passed away spelling is DIED, died. So we have to differentiate the spelling. We have to use according to the context. If a man passes away, DIED. If a man applies colors to his hair, DYED, died. So again, next coming to next example, next sentence is he hate the dessert at the party and asked for more. One boy, I think boys, children used to eat desserts in the functions and marriages or something. But again, though they have very much interested, they are fascinated to eat the desserts. Desserts means ice creams. Here the dessert spelling is wrongly used in the according to given context. Dessert spelling DESSERT, dessert. DESSERT, dessert means ice cream. DESERT, dessert means adore. The Thar desert located in Rajasthan. The Gobi desert is located in China. Gobi desert, cool desert. The Sahara desert, hot desert in Africa. DESERT, desert. Here is a desert for ice cream. DESSERT, desert means ice cream. After he had one ice cream, he ate it, and again he wants to eat one more the ice cream. So coming to next sentence, I love going to college. Here the boy, someone is telling that he wants to go college always. So the college spelling is wrongly spelled in this given sentence. COLLEGE is the right spelling. Here in our given sentence, the college spelling is COLLEGE. College spelling is that is wrong. COLLEGE is correct spelling. So college spelling is COLLEGE. COLLEGE, college. So here the four sentence. One is the principal spelling, PRINCIPAL, principal, and died is correct one. The next DESSERT, desert is the ice cream, and college is COLLEGE, college. Next we are we are going to discuss about some additional information about these words confused about related to this lesson. Here there are many types of in our English many types of words are there. So we are going to discuss one by one. First one, homophones. Homophones means words which have similar pronunciation. Words which have similar pronunciation is called homophones. For example, C and C, no and no, so homophones. Desert and desert is homophone. So words with which similar pronunciation is called homophones. But spelling is wrong, different. Pronunciation is same pronunciation. The pronunciation is same. Spelling is different. For example, NOWNO, KNOWNO. The same pronunciation, but his spelling is wrong. This is homophone. SEAC. The pronunciation is same, but spelling is different. So these are homophones. No. So weak and weak. This is homophone. WEEK, weak. Both are pronunciation is same, but spelling is different. Those are the called homophones. For example, for instance, here we have given one sentence: break, BREAK, break. To make something into pieces. My friend break my pen. My friend break my pen. My friend break my mobile. My friend break my bicycle handle pedal or something. My friend break my lock. Room lock, due to loss of his room's key. So break. So something is to make into pieces. Next, BRAKE, break. This is a mechanism to stop a vehicle. BRAK is a brake, is a mechanism to stop vehicles. I applied brake to control my vehicle, two-wheeler or four-wheeler. My friend applied sudden brake and he fell on the floor. He injured a little. I applied sudden brake a old man while crossing the road. Some scratches are for my leg. It's fine. So brake, BRAK, means brake is a mechanism to stop a vehicle. BREAK, brake, is making pieces. We have a break in the class, 10 minutes break in the morning class section. That is making pieces. We have lunch break at 1 o'clock. This is a break. So homographs, here homophones is pronunciation is same, but spelling is different, is called homophones. Friends, remember, these are we used to get number of homophones in our day-to-day life. Better to keep in your mind what are the homophones. The term homophones is pronunciation is same, spelling is different. The words pronunciation is same, spelling is different, is called homophones. Like break and break, C and C, no and no. Many things, these such sort of words are called. This is next. Coming to next point, homographs. Homographs is the next point we are going to discuss. Words with the same spelling and pronunciation is different meanings. Homophones is pronunciation is same, spelling is different. Homographs is spelling is same, pronunciation is different. Try to find the difference between the homophones and homographs. Homographs spelling is same, pronunciation is different. For example, for instance, bank means both a financial institutions. Bank means a financial institution and the a edge or border of the river or lake. BANK, banks. Mr. Adi, the Wordsworth lives in the banks of the river. Ayodhya located in the banks of Sarayu river. Banks of Bhadrachalam located in the banks of Godavari. Vijayawada located in the bank of the river Krishna. So bank is the two types of the bank is a financial organization, BANK. The again one other bank is I am living in the banks of a river. Hastinapuram is located in the banks of a river Yamuna. So there are many rivers. So Hyderabad located the banks of Musi. The many the bank is, you might try to find the difference. Homograph is called, spelling is same, pronunciation is different. Spelling is same, pronunciation is different. Both are meaning is different. Bank and bank. Both meanings are different meanings. It has spelling and pronunciation same, but meaning is different. Okay. The Wordsworth lived in the banks of Saxena river. Next, heteronyms or heterophones. The third one is heteronyms and heterophones. Words with identical spelling and but different pronunciation and meaning. Words identical spelling, same spelling, pronunciation is different, meaning is different. Different pronunciation and meaning also, but spelling is same. So words spelling is same but identical and meaning is different. First homophones, homographs and heteronyms and heterophones. You have to find the difference. Example, here lead, L-E-A-D, lead and it means guide. Leader led his team to be success. Led is here L-E-A-D, lead is to be guide. And the same lead and next word is L-E-A-D, lead is a metal. Lead is a metal, lead is guide. He leads our team. He's a leader is our team. Lead is a metal. How to understand the difference between? Here is spelling is same, but one is metal and one is guide. So we have to be the pronunciation. We have to be understand the spelling different. Spelling is same. Here. Captonyms. Next, coming to captonyms, the words that change their meaning and pronunciation when they are capitalized. Captonyms, words that change their meaning and pronunciation when they are capitalized. For example, Turkey is a bird. Turkey is a country. How it is captonyms? Turkey, one bird is there. Turkey is capital for one country. One country name is Turkey. So find the difference between Turkey and Turkey. This is called captonyms. Turkey is a one country and Turkey is a bird. First, let us sum up. This is the difference. Homophones are words which have similar pronunciation but a different meaning and spelling. Pronunciation is same, different meaning and spelling is different. Pronunciation break. Pronunciation same, but the meaning is different and spelling is different. That is homophones. For example, break, B-R-E-A-K, break means giving a gap between. B-R-E-A-K, break means giving a break between the class, time, space, refreshing break. Next, BRAK, break is also a same pronunciation, but meaning is to it's a mechanism to stop a vehicle. So here is pronunciation same, spelling is different and meaning is different. Next, homographs also same. We are similar, the same spelling but different meanings. Same spelling, different meanings. Bank and bank. Bank is a financial organization, BNK, and is a bank also. One bank is a river bank. Heteronyms, its word is identical spelling, but same spelling. Meaning is and everything is pronunciation is same, different. Spelling is same, pronunciation and meaning is both are different. Spelling same, pronunciation and meaning is different. Lead, lead is a metal. Lead, lead is guide. The captonyms means the words used change according to their meaning situations. The same spelling. Turkey is a bird, and Turkey is a capital or a country's name. Every language has let me tell you something. The same sound, similar words and spelling like. So you may not find the difficult to understand such a concept in our native language. We may not get the such a kind of problem in our native language or mother tongue. But a new language maybe pose the problems for us. So we have to be find the difference between these while puzzles and meanings, and these are the many things will be confused. Reason the confusion only the lack of exposure, lack of adequate practice for them. We have to categorize the some things. 4 categorizes. One is you find it, heterophones, heterographs, heteronyms or heterophones, homophones, homographs, heteronyms or heterophones, and captonyms. Homophones, homographs, heteronym or heterophones, and captonyms. These are the 4 types of things. Here, homophones activity we will discuss in one more examples. Here, she is a good soul. What is the spelling is right? We have to choose the correct spelling. According to context, we have to guess the right word. She is S-O-L-E, soul, and S-O-U-E, soul. Her soul rest in peace. Sometimes, one of your friends' father may passed away. So we use the her, him, his soul may be rest in peace. So this is S-O-U-L-E, soul. S-O-L-E, soul. Soul we use is a metal, one kind of item we use for our chapel. That is soul. A chapel made of soul. Chapel soul. S-O-L-E. But soul here is right spelling is S-O-U-L. Please find the difference. S-O-U-L, soul is the right word to be used. My chapel soul is damaged. So I am going to be purchasing new pair of chapel. This way you have to use. According to context, we have to understand the situation. Friends, we find it the difference. I like to scent. I like to scent. Here the scent of flowers. Yes, there are many words are there scents. C-E and scent, S-C-E and scent, S-E and scent. Which is the right word? C-E-N-T, scent is the change in a dollar. cent is a the proper change in for dollar in America. CE and cent. We have to get the right meaning of the cent. SCE and cent is I applied cent for my clothes before going to be attend a function. Cent, that is SCE and cent. Now write word according to present word is SCE and. I sent SCE and sent to scent of flowers. I like to scent of flowers. Flowers పంపించడం ఇష్టం అన్నమాట. Okay, so next sentence is the king reigned for 50 years. Here the find the right spelling of the reigned. Reigned spelling is RAINED. Rain means storm, varsham. RAN rain, rained varsham. So that is not correct for the thesis. 50 years varsham. So reigned, REIGNED, reigned is the right word you have to pick up here. The king Akbar ruled. The king Akbar the great reigned for 50 years. Some king reigned for 50 years. REIGNED reigned. REIGNED reigned 50 years. King reigned. So you have to understand REIGNED reigned is 50 years reigned. Next, the stationary word we are going to use. Stationary spellings are different, so you have to pick up the right spelling from stationary. Shop is beside the score. You pick up the right word. STATIONER is stationary, and STATIONER is stationary. So stationary right spelling is NER stationary. Now it is the right word. You have to pick up. Next, he has the site. SIGST site, SITE site, CITE site. In the city where he plans to build the food storage facility, food court or something. SIGST site is, this is the looking site. SITE site is place. CITE site means the situation, according to writing, mentioning. So here is right spelling for SITE site. We are going to be choose planning. He is going to plan to construct a food storage, a food factory. So friends, you see the pictures, the two pictures you can see. This is also, both are, you can get confused. What is that? First one is you feel mouse, MOUSE mouse. Next mouse, the computer's mouse. Both are feeling confused. Rat, small rat is called mouse, MOUSE mouse, and mouse, MOUSE mouse. Mouse spellings are both are, you get confused. So understand the difference with mouse according to context. We feel to get often confused using mouse. So mouse. So I see a mouse. I see a mouse on your mouse, computer's mouse. You can write a sentence. I see a mouse on your computer mouse. I see a mouse on, your mouse is on the computer table. So mouse, I see a mouse on a mouse. So two mouses are there. You have to mouse. So we often get confused. So you have to understand. Here palms. Palms also there. Palm tree and palm. Palm is archive. Palm tree, farm is two words we use in day-to-day life. Palm tree and palm. Mouse and mouse, and palm and palm. Okay, palm. My palm is has many scars. My palm is like I have a palm tree in my farmhouse. I have a palm tree. I have a palm tree in my farmhouse. Okay, right. Then many things. While I am climbing my palm tree, there are many scratches occurred in my palm. So different. Whether you are convenient to write, whether you are asset to write language, you can go on writing so many sentences. Please find the difference. Palm and palm, mouse and mouse. Next picture is bat. So Sachin's bat and Chinese bat. Now with the burning problem, the bats are very popular due to the Chinese are habituated to eat bats. The bat soup they used to drink. So these bats are the news prevailing all over the world. These bats are causing for coronavirus. Coronavirus is caused by bats, maybe. But this there are many bats are hanging in the old temple, Ajanta Ellora temple. The bats hang in the old houses. Many sentences you can write. Sachin's get remuneration or Kohli gets remuneration 6 crores from MRF using MRF symbol on his bat. So when Rohit Sharma gets 3 crores for a MRF sticker, keeping a MRF sticker on his bat. So I wanted to do in batting. That first I prefer batting rather than bowling. How we can write as many as sentences using bat and bat. The spelling is same, but the items are different. Bat and bat. So these bats are very popular now. One bat is Chinese bat. Of course we have, but due to Corona, the people got very lot of popularity with the bats. So we have used to see in the old houses in the ancient period. If you go for a Ellora temple, you will see thousands of bats in the temple. Bats. That is these bats are used to prefer to live in the dark area, especially in the dark area way. But these bats can see in the night hours. So these bats can suck the milk for their some offsprings. So bats and bat can the difference. Now let us discuss to here. I kept my glasses when I fell from bike. My glasses are broken. I kept two glasses on my table. Glasses, my eye glasses and drinking glasses. So how you are thinking that glasses and glasses. So my friends, boy, my boy broken the glasses. My without wearing, my boy wears always glasses. If doesn't one day it doesn't wear, it did not wear his wear glasses while bringing glasses. That glasses were broken. So glasses are glasses. Spectacles, one glass is spectacles and other is glass. The glasses for drinking water, tea or something, baker, glasses. Many glasses are there. So find the difference. Here is a mouse is mouse and mouse, and palm, bat and bat, gloves. So you have to be close the road. They have to be close the road. Road is here is the difference. Close CLOAC and CLOAC. Close means near to that place. So the similar words close and close. I have a station. We have a filling station at railway station. We have a one filling station, gas filling station at the bus station. Sentences you can write different meaning, but Okay. There were my friend is close to my friend is very my close friend is close to uh, is he close to my him to my friend's house is close to my close friend house is too close to railway station. Many things we are using. I saw a saw at the at the saw station at a saw. So saw we are using. Okay, I know about you don't have money. You there was no money in your pocket. I know that there was no money in your pocket. No and no. K no deb and that is no. So I'm so thing here I would like to tell many examples here. We can take it is here. Uh, okay. So glass and glass, bat and bat, mouse and mouse, things we are using here. Before that, here I would like to um, read out one sentence, one paragraph. In the paragraph, everyone has to be know. Once there, there are three spellings are THERE, THEIR. They are, which is the right? THER there is the right. Was a young girl. She was not interested in cereals. Yes, or cereals. Some words are there. Cereals means CEREAL. Cereals is right, but here cereals CEREL cereals wrong word also used here. But wrote a motorbike. She wants to ride but ride the bike. But ROA the road is right. She looked very weak. WEEK or WEAK? WEAK is right. But she ate. EIGST 8. EIGST 8 with again they have given 88. Which is right? 88 is right. Lata off. OF off or OF off? OF off is the right. Foot. She beat or bet. BEAT bet a lot of boys in bike riding. So she beat the BEAT beat the so many boys. Her parents had wanted to actually son SUN son or SON 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 son. They want actually they feel that that their girl is like a son. They were disappointed at her birth. Birth spelling BIRTH birth, but here birth spelling is BIRTH. Birth is the railway birth. Next, but they learn to accept or accept. So accept her. ACC EPT accept. But of course, so whether girl or boy, we have to accept. It's not everyone. Their children they have better to accept. They have to accept, supposed to be accept. She knew, KNEW knew, or NEW knew. KNEW is right, that she was better than any male, male. But she proved herself better than many male children. So here is a wrong spelling used male, but right spelling is male, male. The young girl had a dream of going to the sea. SEEC or SEAC? SEEC is the right word to see. SEAC is ocean, we know. She wanted to flee. FLE flee or FLE flee? FLE flee means go abroad, go something somewhere. FLE flee means insect. From her town, she wanted to go and race on the beach. BEACH beach, BEECH beach. So BEACH beach is one. So you choose the right word from these two, which is right. Racing on the bear. So bear is BER bear or BAR bear is right one. And sand was her passion, her story, or story is right. STORE, a story is many storied building, inspired many similar tales. TAL tales is wrong. TALES tales is right. So you have to be find the difference. This get many words from this kind of things. So friends, you have to be think of it. Here are some words also there. Many words are there. Confused words. Many words are confused words are there. Here accept and accept. ACCEPT, accept means అంగీకరించడం. Accept. I went. I saw the Prabhas. All the movies except Bahubali. Like means that Tappa. Accept and accept. You have to be often confused. You have to find. Avail. AWHA avail and A while. Avail means using. A while means sometime. Principal and principal, always we are getting confused. Principal and principal. There are 4 lakhs principal amount of deducted from my housing loan. That is principal amount. This is principal amount. Stationery and stationery. Stationery is whatever we keep the selling the items for schooling or something, and stationery is the wrong one. There, THIR and THER there. There is there and there is varyoka. Lose and lose. Lose and lose. Okay, I lose a match and lose and lose and lose. Then TH and then and THA and then. Then you have to find the difference. Next, affect and effect. Affect and effect. AFFECT effect. DEFFCT effect. Next, which. WHACH which and what. Sometimes we don't know which one is and what is that. Desert and desert also we use. DESER desert is Adari. DESSER desert is ice cream. May and might, we always feel confused. May and might. Might is a past participle, that is. Neither and either we use. NEITHER neither and EITHER either. Bear and bear. BER bear, BER bear. Bear. Bear is an BER bear is a animal. Bear is naked. Next, ooze and ooze. Who is and ooze. WHOS ooze. Who is this pen? It's mine. Who is this book? It's mine. Who is this? Who is this person is like that. Break and break. We already discussed. Further and further. FERTHER further. FURTHER further. Further, don't want to go further. Waste my time in the further. FERTH, I wanted to go further is future. FERTH further is very further. Next, every day. So this is you have to find the difference. And immigrants and immigrants. EMIGRANTS immigrants, immigrate and immigrants. IMMIGRANTS. Immigrants means the people moved somewhere. Next, weather and weather. WATHER, WHETHER weather. Weather, WEATHER weather is the monsoon weather, sunny weather or something. Weather, WHETHER means of course. Advice and advice. So breathe and breathe. Breathe and breathe. Next, who and whom. Imply and infer. Born. BO and born. BO and born. Often we used to write. BO and born is right. It's and it is. Practice and practice. CSC, PRAC, TIC practice, but we use often confused PRSC practice. PRACTIS is wrong. Past and past. Passed. So what often get is. I passed my time. Waste. I passed in my intermediate. I passed in my SSC with 10 GPA. Next, discrete and discrete. Especially. We get it. Especially, you have to use. Altogether. all together. Besides. My house is beside Warangal Public School. Okay, I'm practicing. Shuttle badminton besides my studies. I'm doing a part-time job besides my studies. Defense and defense. Next, capital, capital. Lay, lie. Complement. Seen, saw. Gray. Historical. Lead, led. Learned. Inquiry. Toward. So you have to find the difference between. Uh, so friends, uh, there are it in its who and whose, you or yours. Identify the many things are there. Many, we have to find the difference between these differences already. Always. You clubbing writing. All all and always. Okay, maybe. So you have to club write the difference word every day, sometime. So envelope difference between the advice is one noun and one wise pronoun. Okay. uh, Next, envelope, property, breath and breath. Many things are there here. Some more sentences are there. The capitoniums. The school march will be in March. The month of capitonium. The one is a March is a possession. The March is month. So, and this wedding may happen in May. May is a possibility. May is the month. Capitoniums. He likes delicate China through. He does not like a product from China. So this is a China products are different. He doesn't like, but China products. Okay. Next, the Polish and Polish issue. Young policeman. Policeman is a person with a designation, and polish is something. Shoe. Lent and learnt. So these are the capitoniums we are also used in our the lesson, and some more activities also used here. Minute, and wind, and tear, rolled, examined, many things are there. Next, he aimed and bow. So many things are there. So friends, let us sum up briefly. Here today we were discussed about uh, the words often confused, the difference of spelling of principal. Next, died, died is instead of died we used. Principal, PRINCIPAL, principal. Many students are often doing this mistake. Please take care. And college spelling also, AG, many students are writing good students, bad students. College spelling is COLLEGE, college. So desert also, the people doesn't know about the desert spelling, but about the similar meaning of ice cream. DESSERT is desert is there. Next, we discussed homophones and homographs, and heteronyms and heterophones and capitoniums. Capitoniums is very easy, kept one same to use a month, and as well as the word for some place month. So some words we used to confuse. And pictures also, mouse, and palm, bat and bat, glass and glass, glasses and glasses. The list of often confused words are also given here. This is enough for friends. Thank you enough. Thank you very much for giving an opportunity to express my class. Thank you very much.